means you're absorbing heat. So endo means absorbing heat, exothermic is releasing heat. So this is the last of these notes. Um, I want to look up this part where it says, oops, hold on, let me get this out of the way. I want to look up this part where it says for water that it has a negative slope between the solid and liquid because the solid is less dense than the liquid. So I actually want to look that up. So I want to put density of water as a solid versus liquid. I want to see the numbers. Because you know what? What happens when you put ice cubes in liquid water? Because it's less dense. I want to see the exact number. So that's what makes water special, is that the solid is going to be less dense than the liquid. So the graph is going to look slightly off. So instead of, how would we make a negative slope? See this line here between the solid and liquid? Would it stay in this direction? How would we make a negative slope? Would it be more this way? Okay, hold on. We're going to look up phase diagram for water. Phase diagram for water. And we're going to see how it looks. Images. Okay. All right, hold on. Let's visit. There we go. Oh, okay. So my picture looks a little bit more like for water. Yeah, I'm going to write water. Can you guys write for this at the top of this picture water? And then what I'm going to do, so at the top of this picture, I just highlighted water. And what I'm going to do, oh, here goes the highlighter. So for water, I'm going to do this. So this is water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably put in a different color other substances. The solid liquid line would be here for other substances. So most substances would look like this, like a skinny Y. Water looks more like this. And right here, the wording seems a little bit confusing, but if you just write down ice floats on water, that would make it make more sense to me. And this is a good technique too when you are taking notes in college. So I wrote something down. It was a little bit confusing for me, but I clarified it and made it easier to understand off to the side. So these are the notes for phase diagrams. So let me just check real quick. All right, what I want you to do is open up your practice problem. packet. Oh, let's see if I can pause this. Hold on. Let me see if I can pause. No, I'm just going to end it.